What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to anodize titanium with household items today. For example, today I'm going to be doing this titanium pocket clip off of this Kaiser Lancer 2. So you can see it's just normal raw titanium color now, and I'm going to shoot for a gold color to match the milled holes that are anodized inside. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot. So all you're going to need for this is regular rubbing alcohol that you find at home, normal baking soda, just tap water from the sink, plastic bowl like this to mix everything in, and some 9-volt batteries. I'm going to be using 8 of them to try to get the gold color. Depending on how many you use, you're going to get a different spectrum of colors, so I'm going to shoot for gold. Also, you're going to need some leads with alligator clips, so those are pretty common. What we're going to do first is, you're also going to need tin foil. First thing we're going to do is take the tin foil, put it over the bowl, and just kind of push it in like that so it insulates the whole bowl. Fold it over just like that, and that's that. Then you're going to take your water, just pour it right in, spill it all over the workbench. And that's that. You're going to take your baking soda. It's no real amount, but just a good amount like that should do it. Something to mix it with. Just mix it until it all dissolves in there pretty good. You don't have to go too crazy with this, but do a decent job. Next thing you need to do is take your piece of titanium that you're anodizing. You got to make sure you get all the oil from your skin off. So you want to use the alcohol. I just put it on a paper towel and just dump it right on and just wash it off. And once you do that, you can try to avoid touching it. Could use gloves for this. I didn't have any. You don't really need to, but just do a decent job cleaning it. Let it dry for a minute, and grab your alligator clips. Your black's going to be your negative. You want to clip that right on to the negative terminal on the batteries, and the other side of that you're going to clip right on to any part of the tin foil. You go right around the rim of the bowl. A good connection. You're going to take your red right onto your positive, and that's going to clip right on to your piece of titanium. I'm going to attempt to not touch this. So you're going to clip it right on. That. Just going to rinse it off because I kind of touched it to get it in there. Once it's on there, you're just going to go ahead and dip it right into your solution. You should see it start to bubble. See how it's changing color there? You can see I got the gold I was looking for. Up by the clip, you can see it's blue. That's because the stainless, or whatever this is on the clip, is absorbing some of the voltage. So you could fix that by clipping it somewhere else and doing it again, but I sort of like the gradient effect that I got here. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with that. Just place that down, and let it dry off, unclip your stuff. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It looks pretty good. Is that focus in there? So that's that. And that really is it. I mean, it can be done pretty easily. You can do entire knives that are titanium. I mean, this was done by Kaiser, but this is also just anodized. You can do pretty much anything that's titanium, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, just leave them in the comments. And I'll get back to you. Subscribe for more stuff, and I hope to put some new videos out soon. Thank you, guys.